Hey Jessica again, and welcome back to another vlog. Well, those of you who are new, I'm Jasmine. Before we go any further, make sure that you hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and subscribe to this channel and join the Jessica gang. And I would really appreciate if you would go ahead and like this video and hit the hype button. It just pushes my channel out to more people to be discovered, and it also lets YouTube know that y'all logged in, y'all messing with your girl. So hit the hype button, subscribe, and hit like. Thank you. So let me show you what I picked up from Aldi yesterday. Baby, if you just need you a little snack, but you ain't trying to, go overboard, you just need you something cute and tasty. Maybe these original crisp crackers. They're like entertainment crackers. They're big and round. Show and see, but baby, I took it down through there a little bit. But so they look like this, and like big, wide, entertainment, enough to decorate and make like a little charcuterie board. And then I picked up this fried pickle and ranch dip. I actually ate this with like the wavy Lay's, and then I chopped up some cucumbers and tomatoes and just kind of did like a little zippy zoop. But I picked up this cheese party tray. Now, did I need all this cheese? No, but yeah, when you snacking, this will be in here. This is good. Dang, it say till December. I'm not keeping the sheets to no December. But this is by Happy Farms. It's just a cheese tray. It has pepper jack, Colby jack, Swiss cheese, and cheddar. And sometimes I'll eat the cheese with these crackers. And we ain't got no meat to put on, so I might buy some deli meat to add to this because we do need a little meat. But that's what I picked up from Aldi. Picked up these two juices. So this is the Nature's Nectar strawberry lemonade, and then I also picked up this fruit punch. So I mess with Aldi. They be having some good deals, and these juices were like $1.97. And yeah, so that's all I picked up from Aldi. I am just about to pick up my house a little bit, make some breakfast, and wash my hair because I have a hair appointment today and it just got pushed up, which is good because I kind of want to be done all night. Originally it's set for 2:30, but she may come a little bit before then, so let's go ahead and get on the ball so we can make sure we have everything done. And I am just ready to get my braids. Oh yeah, I'm about to get braids, y'all. I'm getting medium knotless braids. Just braids. I'm not gonna add the curly hair until I do a touch up in September. I may add some curly hair, so yeah. Hey y'all, excuse the towel in the back. I just washed my hair and I am currently in the process of blow drying it. I just have these two sections left here to blow dry, and then we'll be all ready for our hair appointment. We're getting braids. Let me hurry up and get in. is Saturday. I am getting ready to go into the wharf and have me some lunch before my next client. So let's go in and see what we can order. So I ordered the Baja shrimp and sweet potato fries with a Diet Coke.